Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aletta here. It is finally feeling like fall to me. It is October, it is my birthday month. Your girl is ready to turn up. I'm so excited. I honestly, I love fall and I love fall looks, creating fall looks. And so today I am here with this really super simple fall look with no lashes, girl, no lashes, which is a anomaly for me. I don't ever do no lashes, but I mean, it's the first time for everything. And then paired with this really pretty bold brown lip. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then keep on watching.
Hold up.
Okay, so we've got our concealer on. Let's pop into our first shade. I'm actually going to pick up the Hola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm using my Morphe M513 brush. I saw Desi do this the other day, and I forgot how much I like using this as my transition shade. Just because it is so light, you can barely even really tell. It just kind of gives that monochromatic look that we're going for. Just because this is going to be a really simple look to do. You want everything to kind of flow together with your face makeup and your eye makeup. We don't want anything that's too out there. We want to just stay very light, simple and easy, and we want to get out the door. So that's what we're doing today. I actually first started doing this once when I saw Mariana Hewitt. She did a video, and in her video she used a bronzer in her crease as well, or as her transition. And I just, for a long time, this was kind of part of my everyday makeup kind of routine, because it looked like just that alone makes your eye look a little bit more alive. Now, don't worry about if this looks crazy or not right now, because this is just going to be your transition. This is the first step. And I promise when everything gets cleaned up, it will look super nice. Moving along, I'm picking up my Modern Renaissance palette with that same brush. This palette has been through hell and back, but I'm picking up this color Sienna right here, which this color is fairly close to the color of the Hola bronzer, but I'm just going to begin kind of packing that into the outer corner and then carrying her slightly in. This look is going to be super monochromatic. We are just staying brown, staying the same kind of shades all around. We're not going to add any warmth to it, too much warmth, I guess. There'll be a bit, but we're just going to stay very subtle. Alright, so I am now going to pop into my Nubian palette from Jueva's Place, and I am picking up this kind of burnt red kind of color here. And I'm just taking a very small amount, a super small amount of this. And I'm just going to begin dabbing that right into the corner of my eye here. Kind of, I guess, on an angle, if you will. And then with my Morphe 416 brush, just a small tiny little flat brush, taking the color Golden Orchard, or Orchard I think, from, I can't remember, from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just kind of cutting the crease almost, but not anything too precise. Just really trying to lighten up the front of the eye. And if you kind of wash out any of those browns on the outer corner, just take that brush back that you were using earlier and just blend it all back in. I'm then taking this little teeny tiny brush and the color Cypress Umber, which is a very rich dark brown. I'm going to begin just pressing that into my lash line here, just to fill out my lashes so that they don't look so sparse. And we won't be doing a wing today, so we ain't got time, honey. We don't got time. And by doing this, you're allowing yourself to, like, if you really wanted to, you could just say, screw falsies. I don't want to do them. Which I'm kind of leaning towards doing today, just because I really want to do something super simple on my channel, and I feel like I haven't done that in forever. Now, if you really wanted to, you can go ahead and add some shimmer where that, like, the lighter part of your eye is, but I just want to be very simple today. I don't want to add any fluff, so we're just going to go ahead right now and jump right on into mascara. And I have decided, since I feel like I don't want to do falsies today, I am going to just go ahead and do my own lashes. So first things first, I'm going to pick up a lash primer. This is the Lash primer from Sephora. I like it because it is super duper cheap. It works just as good as, like, the Lancome one and everything, but it's like a fraction of the cost. I feel like a lash primer is something every makeup lover should have in their collection, just because on days where you don't want to put on falsies and you don't want to do all that mess, you can just add a lash primer and it changes the game. Well, for me at least, it changes the way my lashes look. Like, I already have very sparse body hair. I don't have hair on my arms, I don't have hair on my eyebrows, and I do not have hair, like, any lashes, really. So adding a lash primer for me is key. Now let's jump into mascara. I'm taking, of course, my L'Oreal Telescopic. You guys know this is my ride or die mascara. I honestly, I don't really care for any other mascara. I have been rocking with this mascara for a long time now, and I don't think I need to try another. I mean, none has really, like, amazed me like how this does. Like, none. I don't have eyelashes, y'all, and it gives me eyelashes, so knowing that I don't got eyelashes and it gives me eyelashes, I am here for it. Alright, so my eyes are complete. We can go ahead and finish off the rest of our face. I'm just picking up this little tiny brush and the color White Sand from ABH, and I am going to just add that in as my highlight today because I have not done that yet. And then what's left, I'm just going to dust on my chin here, over the Cupid's bow as well. I'm just going to hit a little bit on my forehead, just over the top of my brows there. And I'm just picking up my Luxie Precision Foundation brush and the color Sincere from MAC Cosmetics, and I am going to just pop that onto the top of my cheekbones for my blush. Taking Project Beauty's Spray Set and Go. Give it a light spray. Now let's go ahead and move into lips. Now it is not a fall look if you do not go with a very fall bold lip. So I feel like most people conventionally will go with like a burgundy or a red or whatever, but because I've got the eyes with that whole brown feel, I want to go and stay in the brown tones. So I'm actually going to go in with LA Girl's lip liner, and this is in the color Chestnut. And I'm going to just begin to line my lips with the color Chestnut. And then I'm going to just kind of slightly fill in the lip. And then for lipstick, I'm going to pick up one of my absolute favorite ColorPop colors. This is the color Limboo. I think it was like the first brown color I ever purchased, and I was obsessed with it, and I still am. So let's go ahead and I'm going to add that just into the lip. So yeah, I guess this is the final look. There you guys have it. A very simple, very easy Fall Glam. The eyes are so easy to do, like you can literally do them in minutes, and the lips are just, they add that pop of color and vibrancy just to make it look like you're wearing more makeup than you actually are. By having a bold lip, it really like attracts people to your face. It really allows people to see you, I find. So when you pair a bold lip with like a really, really simple eye, it just, I don't know, they just balance each other so perfectly, and I love this look. I love how it turned out. And like with it being such a fall, like simple neutral look, I feel like it's perfect for when you're doing like a Halloween makeup and you want to add your special effects on top of this. It's just like a kind of good base for a makeup, and then from there you can kind of make whatever costume you like. And actually, speaking of costumes, I am so excited. It's finally October, so that means my Halloween series is back, and we are going to start it. My first video is going to go live on the first Saturday of October. So every Saturday for the month of October, I'm going to be uploading new videos of Halloween costumes or Halloween makeup that I think you guys would like, leading up to the finale video, which will be on Halloween itself, which is going to be a video that I am freaking so terrified of doing, but I'm pretty excited to do it, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, I guess that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys liked the look. Let me know in the comment section below if you try it out. And if you haven't already, please make sure you give the video a big thumbs up, as well as hit that subscribe button, and I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!